The 2015 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, brake assist, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, variable speed, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, steel wheels, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat. Your new ride is just a phone call away.